lot of food going on. A lot of food. Yum. Let me try it. It tastes really fake, to be honest. Am I supposed to like this? Am I supposed to not? There's a lot of food going on. A lot of food. Yum. But I can't eat all of that, of course. I'm gonna die. Because I've already had a lot. So I'm gonna get fish sticks. I'm still contemplating on it. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. I'm still considering this 할머니. She's helping them eat, so I think I'm gonna buy something from here. I think these are silkworms. Well, that's nasty. I'm not gonna eat that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have the tteokbokki udon. Yeah, I don't know. And probably the pancake right there. So yeah, all right. So she just complimented me that I'm pretty. So I'm gonna have 감사합니다. I'm gonna have some what is this? Tteokbokki. I'm gonna have some tteokbokki. So I'm gonna have these two, and I'll tell you how it tastes. So I've never tried it before, so actually having it for the first time, I don't know how I feel, but it must taste good. So yeah, she's awesome. So I'm gonna have it right here, and we'll let you guys know how it tastes. It's actually not bad. It feels like dough. It feels like dough. Am I finished it? Well, I'm gonna have the oden, and then I'm gonna try something else later. But you can barely hear me anyways. Well, yeah, it's good. It's really good. Eran súper majos, en plan que se les notaba que eran así. O sea, que no era como que estuvieran. I'm really full already. So I'm gonna get here. I'm just gonna continue on with my adventures. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just finished having some snacks. It was really good. It was really good. And the grandma that was there, she was like giving me a lot of compliments. She was like, oh, you put that. She was like asking me where I'm from. Anyways, so now I'm headed back to Myeongdong, and then we'll start off from there. I'm getting a lot of looks and compliments about 얼굴이 너무 예뻐, which means that my eyes are really big. What? Girl, stop lying. 얼굴이 means face, not eyes. Okay, well, that they're pretty. But they're saying a lot about how my eyes are big. So they're shocked. They're like, wait, you can understand me? I'm like, yeah, I can understand you. Because, you know, I've been learning Korean for a long time. I mean, I'm not fluent, but I can understand more than I can speak now because I've stopped practicing for a while. But yeah. Anyways. Oh, and she was guessing my age. She was like, Summertime. Somerset. I'm like, I can hear you. You're talking about me. And then she was talking about my body. And the next thing she was like, she could be a model because her skin is nice and stuff. I'm like, Grandma, don't be lying. I can hear you. So she didn't think I could hear her, but I completely was. Anyways, so now I'm going to Myeongdong and I'll catch you guys there. So guys, I got ice cream. The longest ice cream you've ever seen in your life. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. Look at that. I've always seen that ice cream on videos of other people's videos, and now you're seeing it online. So let me try it. It tastes really fake, to be honest. Am I supposed to like this? Am I supposed to not? I mean, I paid 2 yuan for won for it, so I'm just gonna finish it regardless. But look how big it is. Yeah.